What's up YouTube, it's your boy D and I'm back with another reaction video, man. If you ain't read the title, we is watching Close Encounters but Animals. And it said not to watch alone. But I'm alone. Get right into the video. Let's see.
Good luck telling the insurance how this Jeep ended all smashed.
Is that a hippo, bro? Bro, is that a hippo? Oh yeah.
Shit!
Bro, that's a hippo, bro. Yeah, you're done. He bit the hole. Oh yeah, go. Go get your door. Bro is hungry.
When I see a rhino, I get scared right away. I can only imagine what it was like for this driver.
Bro, don't rhino. Why'd you even drive and buy rhinos? People are retarded, bro. Oh yeah. Your tires through, your whole car is over. You got the horn, you're done. Oh, yep, I knew it. Your tires was he's gonna pop your tires, bro. I already knew it, bro. I already knew it.
Amazing clip of killer whale.
Killer whale?
Seagull.
Oh, that bird, that's a seagull, I think. Hold on, did he get him? Is that a rhino? Bro, that's a hit. Bonus. Bro, you don't got no windows on there. You lucky he ain't keep going, bro. He'll give you a warning, bro. Get out his territory, cuz right now.
Hippos kill around 500 people every year.
Bro, 500 people a year.
I wouldn't want this elephant to be mad at me.
Elephant. Oh, step on the gas. Bro, what is you doing? Step on the gas, bro. Oh yeah. Whoever on the back seat is through. His trunks. Bro, you was lucky.
Luckily, the legs
Whoever is right there. What is that? What is under there? Oh, the jet ski? Okay. I see something in the water. You see it? Oh, that's a shark. Why is you trying to get up so close to a shark? Are you dumb? That's what you get. That is what you get.
This angry hippo is chasing tourists.
Another hippo. Bro, y'all better stop messing with them hippos. Get out of his territory. What is you doing? Ah, fresh and so clean ad, bro. Y'all are welcome for me skipping and editing it out. Bro, get out the hippo territory, bro. Stop messing with, bro. Where's the water? I thought hippos lived in water.
Hippo acts like a wild animal, but sometimes
Another hippo. Bro, he got bit, bro. You see that? What is he doing? But somebody else recording this. Delete somebody. Go.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Yup. You deserve it. I'm sorry, bro. You deserve it.
Encounter with a bear. Moving
A
towards
bear?
a group of
I hate
horses
bears, bro.
got them very scared. Luckily, the bear is going its own.
Is it in the car? Where's the bear? Where is the bear? Oh, I see it. What is it doing? Are they trying to make the bear come towards them? Are they retarded? What is it chasing?
Hippo situation again. Humans.
Another hippo. Better stop messing with the hippos. I'm not finna say it again, bro. That boy hungry. Oh, I would be so scared. A gun can't even stop him. Look how big that nigga. Look how big bro is, bro.
Scary clip of killer whales swim past some kids. Those orcas should patrol shark-infested beaches and
What
get
is
away.
Is that a person in the water, bro? You need to go. Is that a person? Man, I don't know what that is, man. Oh, they just went right past him. Lucky. You are lucky. They not hungry. Bro.
Hippo had a poor lunch.
Another okay, hippo. Another hippo. Run. Yup. Step on the gas. Man, I'm tired of seeing these hippo clips, bro. Not gonna lie to you.
amazing scene of hippo attacking passing vehicle.
Another hippo. He didn't even attack the video. Oh, he can flip that over, bro. Look how little that vehicle is, boy. Oh, y'all need to stop going to the safari, bro. That's the retardedest thing y'all can do.
They can't figure this out. People, it's a bison. Want to get close and...
What's a bison?
Oh my god.
Whoa! Run! Oh. Bro, why it look like he's finna run somebody over? Run. Yes, sir. Okay. Everybody getting out there. He ain't even messing with nobody. He not worried about you. Hold on, hold on. But he's not even worried about that.
This bison does not allow snowmobiles to be driven.
What is you doing?
Too much noise.
What are you doing? You're done. Oh. Bro, he is warning y'all. Get out their territory. Step on it, bro. Bro, this man is giving y'all a warning right now. You're next. You're next. You're next. Go, bro.
He is poking an anaconda snake. People...
Is that a cat in the water? Oh! Bro, what was that, bro? Is that a cat? There's no way that's a cat. In the water. Cats don't even like water.
Imagine this. Some people like to ride in protected vehicles. And enjoy
Man, all you gotta do is just go.
Tires and bumpers.
That tiger big, though. All you gotta do is just step on the gas, bro. And we're back. Why is you letting him bite your stuff? He's pulling the car back? Oh, yeah. I did not know Tiger was that strong, bro. Say swear he pulling the car back or somebody just going back. Yeah, somebody driving. Or is it? Because there's no way no Tiger is pulling a car back, bro. With his teeth. Drive away. Thank you. Oh, hit. Bro, the lady is literally terrible. Look, you them big old little horn things. I forgot what those called.
Was almost attacked by a shark. In the video we see.
Is he on a surfboard? No, he's standing up. What shark? Oh. Go. Man, that shark not worried about you. If he turn your way, he is. He was not worried about you, bro. I'm sorry. What is this? Why you have that on the surfboard? Yeah, that shirt wasn't worried about you, but you don't gotta worry.
Bison struggles to get food in a very interesting way.
What is on their window? Hey, that's kind of smart if you go to one of those little drive-in food. I don't know. Come on, bison. Oh! What is that? Is that a goat? Is that a goat that just ran? Oh, it's a bison. Okay. Hey, look at his tongue, bro. Okay. That's gonna cap off the video there, man. If you ain't subscribed, hold up, another ad, bro, at the end of the video. Oh, man, if you haven't subscribed, like or comment, cause hey, my last video comments wasn't working, bro. I had to fix that, bro. But come on, comment me some videos, tell me what I need to do next video to improve. I feel like I got this ring light now, so yeah, it'll be cool. And my camera, bro, you look good. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for the next video on game.